Hi there, students. Awash. Okay, awash is an adjective. Notice it's a postpositive adjective. Awash means covered with liquid, especially with water. So the pipe to my washing machine was broken and the kitchen was awash with water. Yeah, there was water everywhere. The drain in the patio was blocked, and after a heavy rainstorm, the whole area was awash with water, was covered in water, full of water. I think they use this awash actually as a nautical term, something that's at the same level as the sea. Yeah, so that the waves break over it, yeah, covered with water. But that itself is probably not very helpful, it's not very useful. It would only describe one or two very specific situations. But we use awash to mean full of. So the metro was awash with people. It was absolutely full of people. This part of the city is awash with crime. Yeah, that part of the city is awash with drugs. They are everywhere. Now, notice I said this is a postpositive adjective. This means you can't say an awash city. You can only use it with a verb of state, particularly to be. So to be awash with, to be full of. His shelves are awash with famous authors. Okay, the library is awash with students who are studying for their exams. So, to be awash with, use this phrase when you're writing. It's a really nice phrase. Although I think I would probably only give it 5 in formality, maybe 5.5. So instead of saying something has a lot of, you say it's awash with. This is a much more sophisticated way of saying it. Look at my channel. It's awash with interesting videos about different things. The newspapers are awash with information and stories about COVID. Yeah, society is awash with people who use too much energy. Okay, so awash with, absolutely full of. Yeah, to the top. Oh, and just as a little aside, the Awash is a river in Ethiopia. Notice the difference in pronunciation. Awash, but here to be awash with, starting with a schwa sound. Okay, so bathed in, drenched with, saturated with, full of, yeah, having it everywhere. So I don't know, Sherlock Holmes stories are awash with Moriarty doing unpleasant acts or horrible things. Okay, the bathroom floor was awash after I bathed my child. The company is awash with complaints. So overrun with, overwhelmed with, have everywhere, brimming with, overflowing with. Yeah. We publicised the job in the newspaper, and since then we've been awash with applications for it. A big wave broke over the ship, and the deck was awash with water. Yeah, completely covered in water. So remember, postpositive adjective, like all of these that begin a something. Yeah, awake, alive, etc. You can't say an awash boat. No. Something is awash with, to be awash with, and that's the grammar which is important to use. So, as I said, I think I would give this a 5.5 in formality. Yeah, you could use it anywhere. The pub was awash with drinkers. Yeah, it works quite well. But use it in your writings because it's a different phrase to use, a different way of saying things. And then, yeah, it comes from wash. Yeah, washed by, if you like. Okay, so awash. I hope this video has been awash with good examples that you can follow. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Awash. To be awash with.